Hey there, Centerville Abington students and parents. Today's goal is to talk about the new way we're going to be doing homework. Homework will be digitized and adaptable for each student. It will make it a whole lot easier and hopefully more enjoyable doing homework in math. First thing we want to point out is the Google Classroom. The kids will have access to this both at school and at home. And in here, you'll find this video and other videos that will go through each and every lesson so that they can get through those. And all our resources will be here. For math and math homework specifically, you're going to need this HMH player down here. All right. It can be downloaded. It's right here. It's downloaded on my home computer, but they will automatically be downloaded onto the Chromebooks. But you're going to need the HMH player to access the homework. In the HMH player, it's going to have their assignments and it's going to have their homework for the week. All right. It does have the textbook, but it doesn't have the answers we've written into it. But if they need to see the textbook, it is here. But it is also embedded into the homework, and I'll show you that here in a little bit. The bonus to doing this homework like this is that it can be done even if you don't have internet at home. When we're at school, they will click on the assignments here. And when it loads, there's an option to download it. And they'll be able to download the homework and then take it home, do it. And then when they get back to school, they can upload it again. So if they wanted to download this homework, it's right here. And they would click that, and it would take a few seconds and download. This one's got a little X on it because it's already been done as I was learning how to do it myself. When they start the homework looks a lot different than anything we've had before. It is going to be adaptable, and it is going to have different questions for every student. This first page is just showing us the basics of how this program is set up. The second page is where the homeworks actually start. So you can see here's the questions up here across the top. This student had already done question 1. So we're actually on question 2 of this homework. All right. They can skip through the questions, but they need to make sure they do all the questions because it'll count them wrong if they don't do them. Now, the question is 90,000 is 1/10 of blank, and it's got a blank for them to type in the answer. Now, if they don't remember how to do it or whatnot, it doesn't matter. Let's say they choose some crazy answer that can't be right, and they get down here, there's a check answer, and it will let them check to see if their answer is correct. And it tells them that, no, this isn't right, try again. So they can try again as many times as they need till they figure it out. Or there are other options. Like I said before, the textbook is available. They can click here and it'll take them back to the textbook. There are step-by-step instructions and view an example. So it will show them how to do this problem by clicking on view example. So it's showing them the steps that are taken to get that answer. And down here, it shows them that 90,000 is 1/10 of 900,000 because they had to go one more place value. Now, it will not let them use that as their correct answer. It makes them try again or try another. And so here you can see they have changed the problem for them. 60,000 is 1/10 of blank. So hopefully after seeing that example, they can figure out that it is 600,000. They type in their answer. They check it. It says, well done. And they go on to the next question. All right. Every problem set up like that so that they should be getting 100% on their homework as long as they took the time and effort to figure out how to do each one. The bonus to this is that everyone's going to be on the same playing field. Parents helping with homework is great, but kids that don't have that option will also be able to have somebody check their homework by using the check answer button here. And we will better understand the math that we're working on. We won't be guessing and hoping it's right before we come back to school. When they're done, they click and turn it in if they have internet. If they don't, they can click save and close, and then we will upload it the next day when we get to school. Thank you, guys.